Maybe this, because it doesn't have shingles. Woo! A little slippery. Almost dabbed there. Should really put my seat up. Oh well. Too late now. I wouldn't brake there, but it's a little wet. A little wet. Don't want to risk it. Woo! A bit of water. Doesn't ever hurt anybody. Ooh, a little slippery. I should not do that. I was thinking about it. I think I only tested it a little bit. Looking good. Woo! That trail starts getting you to a boot trail, guys. Look how well. Oh, here they are.
Hey,
how's it going?
you know about Wednesdays?
No.
So it's called Wacky Wednesdays. The trail's ridden backwards. So.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that.
No. It's just be mindful because you guys come flying through. You'll probably have a lot of guys tell you the same thing. So.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll go that way. Doesn't bother me.
It's not your first time out?
It's like my second, but I didn't know that was a rule here.
No, you're good, buddy. Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah. No worries. Oh, sure. That'd be awesome, man. All right. With it, Wacky Wednesday, and I got to ride it backwards. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna know. I'm gonna forget which trail I'm on. So we'll just figure it out as we go. You know, have a little adventure. I think I'm on Yellow Brick Road. Because I think, yep. Yeah, I am. All right, cool. You're about to see the yellow bricks. Yep. Not really bricks, they're planks, but you get the idea. I wonder how the GoPro took that. Look at that view from back here, from this way. Wow. A little movement behind my rear. We'll be okay. Ah, downwards. Oh, good. Thought I was gonna hit that. Little Rudy grabbed my rear tire. A little tired. I like it. Whew. All right. Got through the roots. I think there's still more though. Yeah, here we go. Wait, the fuck go that way? I'm tired. Woo, windy. Hope the camera handles that. Let's go up here. It's a bit of a drop right there. I can't bunny hop right now. Whew. I know I'm throwing all the excuses, but you guys gotta trust me. I was just sick. Okay. Let's get some descent. Let's get rolling. Slow down because I'm not feeling it. Let's go this way. I thought it was gonna be down. I like this. I like it. Things keeps falling in my eyes. Ah! Oh, hell no. Yeah, buddy. I am not in shape, but I love it. Woo! Saved myself. Caught that rut. All right, spinning out to the road. Hey, yeah. All right. Next time I'm bringing glasses or something because I get a lot of mud in my eye. But I'll live. This is connector. Let's go middle. Got a little squirrely there for me. Still new rider. I hate when people litter. I need to get like a pickup truck someday and like come and clean up. Take it to a dump. And then the connector going on to the next one, which is take this in here, get out in here, ride it down somewhere, stream. Hopefully, or I'll be lazy and won't. All right. Don't get sick, kids. You'll hate it. Whoa, it's windy. Woo, the storm's coming. Gotta beat the storm. Yeah, we had a storm cloud pass the beginning of the video, right before I was to head out. But there's another storm on its way, so we gotta beat it. Got to mention that. Come on, yes! Woo! Take a little bit of a drink. Oh yeah, delicioso. Heck yeah. Left to the left. Everything you own in a box to the left. Just cruising, baby. Take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah, so many little ledges I want to jump. I'm just not into it right now. Had to hit it next time. Next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Whew. Oh, a nice breeze. Nice and cold. That storm is coming in quick. I might tempt it though. I could just skip it and go over there. Actually, while we ride this little trail and get something on my eye, we'll see how the weather's doing. It should be good to go on dog trail. Still recording, right? Yeah, I like it. Ah, I missed the bell. I got bad luck. I'll hit the next one. Don't worry. All right, we're back where we turned around. We're almost home. There we go. Heck yeah. Got my good luck back. Nice and smooth. I like it. Windy. A storm. It's creeping up on us. See if we get it on the way back.